Greetings. Yes.
I very seldom come. Somalia.
Yes.
The final call is still a bit perplexed on the response from Mr. Old Abdullah. And around July 29th, he was asked, I believe in this room, about his relationship with a 15-page memorandum of understanding that it seems that he had some sort of way in designing it between Kenya, Somalia, and the UN on who's going to control the continental shelf of Somalia. The Somalian parliament voted the whole thing down unanimously, said that there was no jurisdiction in that. But however, with the research that we've done, we found that there's been no, what we feel is a credible response from Mr. Old Abdullah or anyone else here in the UN on how the UN can fix itself in that kind of role. That's it.
Okay, Pat, you have an answer for him? Okay, let's first start with Somalia. About the participation of Old Abdullah in the final document that was voted down, as you said. The fact that it was voted down is a matter, it's an internal matter. It's a matter for us, the Somalis. We're not getting involved in this. What part the UN played in it, I think Old Abdullah was, when he was here, was pretty clear with you on exactly what role he played and what role the UN played. I cannot say anything more because the decision, the final decision, and in the case of the parliament, is a decision for the Somalis. About Haiti, it's a decision for the parliament of Haiti. At this case, at this point, I think you have one information which is not quite